And thanks for joining us on this Friday evening. Look at this time lapse from today. We had those sunny skies through the morning hours, but then as we advance this time lapse here through the afternoon hours here in the Valley Sky Cam, we look to see that fog roll in there in the afternoon hours. And look at that, that did become dense briefly here in South Fargo, but now things have cleared out nicely. You have a beautiful sunset there, the orange up to the blue. So I'm not saying Bronco colors, but maybe some Bronco colors there on the sunset on the horizon there at this time. Satellite and radar shows, again, things are quiet for us. Only a few clouds down toward Minneapolis, but we are quiet here with high pressure in charge for the day today. For tomorrow, we do expect the snowfall to begin around sunset for us, beginning as light snow in the early morning hours. Temperatures tomorrow in those upper 20s for those highs. So right near that freezing point, so could again see some rain and snow mix in with that snowfall, so rain snow mix. And then most of us will be again just below that freezing point, especially in the southern and eastern part of our viewing area. A bit colder in the Devil's Lake Basin, and around 20 for those high temperatures there tomorrow. Looking at that winter storm warning, this has just been issued around about 2 hours ago for all the areas here in red. This is including Grand Forks, Baudette, Roseau, Fargo, Bemidji, Jamestown, down through Ellendale, down through Sisseton as well. So this is for impactful winter weather imminent here in our area. It looks to again begin overnight tonight in the south, spreading north and eastward through the day tomorrow. Our friends in the north and west are just under a winter weather advisory. Still could be some travel impacts there, but it won't be nearly as widespread as those areas you just saw in red. So here's the American model. This is Saturday morning. You see that lighter snow spreads up from the north Saturday morning, and some of that Saturday morning could be mixed with some of that salmon color. That's freezing rain. So it could be a glaze of ice under any fresh snowfall that falls, making for things to be quite slippery, especially in Lakes Country as we go through the day tomorrow. As we head through Saturday night and into Sunday, you'll see those darker blues move in. That's that heavier snowfall. So along with those strong northerly winds, windy, heavy snowfall, reduced visibility, and blizzard-like conditions are expected as we go through the day on Sunday. We expect the worst travel impact to be on Sunday here through the Red River Valley. Notice Minneapolis, if you're flying in or out of Minneapolis, they're on the warmer side of the system and the drier side of the system. So it looks like the impacts there won't be felt this weekend, but they will see their fair share of snowfall here as we go through this American model. We do see the American model has snow winding down on Monday, so it still could be heavy at times early Monday morning, but as we head toward the dinner time hour Monday, the system will clear. Still breezy though Monday evening, so still could be some remnant blowing snow here on Monday. Now this is Monday again. This is when Minneapolis will start to see their fair share of that snow and that wind as well. So if you have any flights on Monday out of Minneapolis or planning to go down to the cities on Monday, do be careful as there could be some travel issues there for the cities on Tuesday. For the American model, here's what this is showing. Most of us in the blue are in that 6 to 12 inch range. That includes areas like Thief River Falls, Foston, Detroit Lakes, and Bemidji in that 6 to 12. In the purples here, especially up and down I-29, down toward Valley City, that's in that 12 to 18 inch range. That's that purple there. And there will be areas, especially south of the South Dakota border, that could be 18 inches or more when everything's said and done. A couple changes we have made from yesterday is Jamestown, we have put in the 8 to 12 inch range of that snowfall for total snowfall. So we have lowered that by about a couple inches. And Roseau, still in that 4 to 8 inch mark. Devil's Lake, though, nothing at all to maybe 3 inches. And of course, we like to look at the European model as well. This shows the same thing, where things will be beginning Saturday morning and spreading up through the evening hours on Saturday, becoming heavy Saturday night, and especially into the day on Sunday. Those strong winds out of the north will cause those reduced visibilities and difficult travel on area roadways. And still, winds could be gusting 45 to 50 miles per hour there through the afternoon on Sunday. And the European model now has become more in line with the American model, that it has that snowfall pushing clear through the day on Monday. So with that, we were still seeing, again, 12 to 18 inches for most of us up and down I-29, with still a large area of 6 to 12 in Minnesota, and still showing minimal snowfall for our friends up toward the north and west. And still also on the European model, there will be areas that could get 18 inches or more when everything is said and done. So impacts will be most heavily felt Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday morning. So we do have, of course, both those days highlighted in red on that 7-day planner. So yes, things will get dicey, especially on Sunday. So again, make your travel plans now. If you're trying to get out of town Saturday morning, Andrea, it may be able to do so Saturday morning and early Saturday afternoon before things get too bad Saturday night. Yeah, we know a lot of people trying to get back Sunday night, and that's may not happen. It may have to wait till Monday after everything kind of gets cleaned up somewhat after the storm. All right, thanks, Nathan. Yeah.